What's going on, guys? And today's video I'm going to give you a 5-month durability update for the Wolfgang Uber ceramic spray coating on the front bumper of the blue test Honda here. I've got one coat applied to the left half of the bumper facing the car here, and I've got two coats applied to the right half. So again, this is a one coat versus two coat application test. I applied the second coat 3 weeks after applying the first coat on the right half. And the paint was last washed 3 weeks ago. So we've got a little bit of road grime built up. We've got some bug splats on the front as well. But as usual, I'm going to do a pre-rinse with a pressure washer, and then I'll pull out the soap. We'll wash the bumper off, get all the grime and bugs off the front, and do a final rinse after that so we can see how the spray coating is held up. But I would absolutely recommend 2 coats if you guys are running this specific spray coating. I think this coating definitely shows signs of giving you better performance when you stack it with an additional coat, as opposed to just trying to use one coat and then maintaining that one coat with a variety of different spray detailers or maintenance products of your choice. I would do the second coat on the next wash after you've applied the first coat to the paint. So do the first coat, wait till the next wash, apply the second coat on top, and that's going to give you some great performance. Now in this specific test here, I have not used any maintenance products for these sections. So this is just the bare spray coating by itself. And even the one coat over here on this side of the bumper is still holding up at a very good level. It's only towards the front middle section where I see a pretty stark difference in how the second coat is holding up compared to just the first coat by itself. So that front section right there is where I'm seeing the biggest difference with the additional coat on top. In this clip here, I've washed the paint using CarPro Reset as my soap. And I would say that the center section, the silver paint, this is where the spray coating is showing signs of being diminished. But the corner sections, the blue area on this front bumper, is holding up at a really high level still. It's close to its short-term fresh performance level. You guys can see over here in this corner section, it is still in really good shape. Very little signs of showing of being diminished. And so this is pretty impressive performance out of a spray coating like this at 5 months of total durability. This is, again, on the pricier side. This is around $48 for the 8-ounce bottle when it's not on sale. I recommend you guys picking this stuff up when it's on sale if you're thinking about trying the Uber ceramic spray coating out. But I'm liking what I'm seeing. Even with the one coat section here is showing really good hydrophobic behavior. I can see signs of hard water spotting though in that section there. So that is the cost of not maintaining the coating on a regular basis. If you use maintenance toppers, you're going to help clean up that hard water contamination and bring back a little bit of the hydrophobic performance back to life. But I've definitely been very impressed at 5 months of total durability without maintenance toppers with the spray coating. Now, I've also been using the Uber ceramic spray coating to protect the front wheels on this test car. So I've got 2 coats applied to the front wheels. This is in between 3 to 4 months of total durability. I have not been maintaining it with any additional spray toppers, and the wheel is still dirty at this point. And look at how well that the water beads up off the spray coating, even through some of that dirt and contamination. Here's the other side. Again, this is still dirty. I've only had to use CarPro Reset as my wash soap to clean the wheels since I've applied this coating on top of it. And that's just fantastic. I have not had to use any dedicated wheel cleaners. But that is going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I want to give a big shout out to the guys again over on the Auto Geek Online forums. I'm going to post this video in there as an update to my original thread that I posted with my first impressions review to keep you guys updated. So far, so good. At 5 months of total durability on the front bumper, this is a very capable protectant and very good performance on the wheels as well. This is also not a sponsored video. This is something that I purchased myself for independent testing and review. Guys, stay tuned to the channel for more tests and durability updates coming up, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.